everyone, welcome back to another unboxing with Danny and Jazz.
Hi!
And today we're going to be unboxing Kandy Krate. As you can see, Jasmine's excited for this one because it's just candy. So this is Kandy Krate. It's a new company, just started out, trying to get on the feet. Basically, it's candy from around the world, basically, but they are UK based. So even better for us, we don't have to wait a month for candy. Sometimes the candy comes and it's not even in date sometimes. But this one's from the UK. It came within 3 or 4 days. So this box was, and it's quite heavy as well, isn't it?
You could use a workout with it.
You might need a workout after we've got all of this.
Yep.
Yeah, this box was £19.99 delivered. So we like to thinking the fact that it was a few quid postage. So we're going to say £16 to £17 worth of candy we're hoping for in here. So there's only one way out to see what's in it, isn't it, Jazz?
Let's open the box.
Let's open the box.
Open the box. Open the box. Open the box. Open the box. Open the box.
Sorry, I'm going to take a while.
Open the box. Open the box. Open the box.
The box up.
Open the box. The box is now open.
Right, let's get that.
You didn't cut that on the side. Open the
Oh.
box.
Don't
Open the
sing
box.
again.
Open the box. Open the box. The box is now open.
Now it is. Now it is. Now it is. Now it is. Excuse me.
Ooh.
Bubble wrap.
Fancy.
Yes. So,
Share your box on Kandy Krate.
Kandy Krate. Let's have a look.
It's like
Yep. So it is Kandy Krate with a K.
K. Double K.
Double K.
K.
And there is their website, social media. I will link it all in the description below, so you can go check it out yourselves. They do 3 different packages. I think it's the small, medium and large, and we got the medium. So you can actually get a massive box of candy if you want one.
Yeah.
So, yep, right. This is only our second candy box that we've done. We've done a Japan crate, which wasn't so clever, and it's this one. So,
Bite-sized cookies filled with milk chocolate, M&M's, minis, mini.
They look nice.
They look so
they
cute.
do, don't they? Do we give them a little wet oven? So, is that what it is? M&M's?
Yes.
Oh.
Bite-sized cookies.
These just look like little beautiful goodness. Just cookies. With bits of chocolate in. Nice, Amanda. Yeah, just little cookies with M&M's in. Made by Keebler. I think I've said that right. Next one. Is that nice?
Yeah. We're Pop-Tart!
Popped up, we can't do these.
No.
Ain't got to toast in our geeking cave, have we?
You do know Americans eat them like out of the packet
Oh,
straight
do
away.
they?
And they wonder why we eat them untoasted.
I thought that's why they're called Pop-Tarts, because you have to wait until they pop. Anyway, which ones have we got?
Hot fudge sundae.
Oh, yes. That's tomorrow, sorted.
How's your face?
Sorry.
Yep.
Next one, Pop-Tarts.
Next one. Hershey's
Oh.
Gold peanut butter and pretzels. I will not have this because I don't like peanut butter or pretzels.
You're not even going to try it?
Nope.
Here you are.
Nope.
That's part of the video, you have to try it.
No.
You have to.
No.
Come on.
No.
You have to, just a little bit.
No.
Oh yeah, I don't get my enjoyment somehow.
I'm eating food.
It's only a little tiny bit for you. Come on, you love this. No, go on, get
Dad, don't force feeding me.
I like that, I like peanut butter. It's part of the job.
Whatchamacallit?
Is that what it's called? The whatchamacallit?
Whatchamacallit.
Brilliant. Does it say what it is?
It's delicious. Made with chocolate, peanut butter, flavoured crisps and caramel. I'm not having it. I'm just after what
We have to. Come on. It's the rules.
No.
Just a bite.
No.
Actually, it's just a little biscuit.
No, because I can see.
No, you can't even taste the peanut butter.
No.
Just eat it.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
Next item in the box.
It's not playing. Oh, you have to. It's candy box.
No.
Oh, you're not allowed to, Brendan. Come on.
No.
Eat it.
Abba Zaba. Soft and chewy. Annabelle's chewy peanut butter centre. That's the centre.
You have to try them. Just a little bit.
No. Abba
Well,
Zaba.
Are you going to try one,
I'll
please?
try this one because it says the centre. It's only the centre that's peanut butter.
Yeah, the whole centre of the bar and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a one bar. Alright,
I don't know. I stuck my teeth.
it's right there. Like a nugget in it. Like a nougat. That's alright.
Exciting. Oh, try this.
Bet you will.
Moon pie.
Moon pies. Oh my God.
Chocolate.
Moon pies.
From.
Do you know what? I think someone left a comment on our other video that we done, and I think these are supposed to go in the microwave for a little bit. There you go. There you go. Enjoy. Is it nice? Thank you.
It's a bit dry,
me.
but.
They're not my favourite then.
I don't know. It's food. So.
You wouldn't try the peanut butter?
Scented gum. Right, we'll do this last. Because it's gum.
Yeah, alright then. Show them that.
Scented gum. 8 pieces chewing gum. Fragrance. That refreshes after eating, smoking or drinking. Well,
You should never smoke, for one.
drink, you should only do like 1 bottle of drink. About that big. That's it. And that's it. Then you're
Unless
gone.
the footy's on and then you can have a couple.
No. Stop teaching people to be alcoholic. That is.
Right, we'll try that later. Quite a bit in there.
What is it? Oh, it's one of them
Like, what are they called? Kale.
sugar things. Pixie sticks.
Ah, right, yeah.
Pixie sticks. And I think there's more than one in here. I don't know.
There you go.
There's another one. Oh, this is a purple one. I want the purple one. Here it is.
Oh, they're tangy. You like them. You can have them. They're not for me. Did you get a bit? Just get a bit off the top. I know you're going to like them.
It won't go through the hole.
Yeah. Nice. I bet there's loads of them. I hope there is. You can just sit in there now. Get sugared up.
Hershey's Cookie Layer Crunch. Caramel milk chocolate bars with shortbread cookie bits and caramel.
Oh, I thought that was peanut butter there. You know?
Me
That's what I was
too.
laughing at.
It is.
Oh, it comes in little chunks.
I'm gonna have a little chunk. Oh. I'm gonna have a little chunk of the little chunk.
Go for it. Go on. Do you want me to do it for you? I'll just have a little bite of it.
There it is on the inside, guys.
Yep, it's alright. It's actually got. Does that taste like?
Chocolate.
Next one. That one's alright. It's all been alright actually. What's that?
Laffy Taffy.
Oh, you love Laffy Taffy, don't you?
Sour apple.
See, at where we live, up north, we've got an American candy shop, and they sell like different flavours of Fanta and stuff like that, and like all the American sweets. But they are expensive. They're nearly like £2 a bar of chocolate. That's why we like getting these boxes, because we try it and it doesn't cost us absolutely loads of money basically. So yeah, some of them are nearly £2 a bar of chocolate. I mean, I know the Laffy Taffy's over £1. So a pound, sorry. I'm having a right mess here, Jazz.
Oh, really? Yep.
Is that nice?
It's dead like chewy in it. It's like chew it, but they're dead soft. Sour apple.
How's that? Is it your mum that doesn't like Laffy Taffy?
Yeah. Because it's too like
She does
melted down.
Yeah. So yeah, that's nice.
Ooh.
Ew. Ew.
Laffy Taffy, 2 flavour, mystery swirl.
Peanut butter. Peanut butter Laffy Taffy. I wonder if they do that.
How does a tree go home when ready?
Don't know.
It leaves it.
What's that say?
How does the beach greet you? Hey, Dad.
Don't know.
With waves.
Right. Eat the stuff. People don't want to watch us tell jokes.
Mystery flavours.
When our riptide's dangerous.
I think that's just.
What?
Mmm.
Doesn't say. Is that nice?
I can't remember my finger what it tastes like.
I'll tell you the answer then. Oh well, it's that time.
Right.
Skewered me?
You forced me to eat that peanut butter stuff.
No, I didn't.
You did?
Oh, I did a little bit. That's actually nice. Dabs.
No. Sharing is caring.
Okay.
Every time. Oh, my these things.
Yeah, we don't need to try them all, do we? That'll be strawberry, that'll be...
Blue raspberry.
Okay. Blue raspberry.
Next item. Strawberry colon.
Colon.
Biscuit roll.
Mmm. Nice one. Oh, then we're going to have to speed it up a bit. 'Cause this video will be ages, just people watching us munch. And nobody will want to see that.
What?
Then again, we asked, didn't we, on Instagram?
Yep.
If people wanted to see our us eating a box of food, and people said yeah. So,
Oh, it smells so good.
the strawberries. Sorry about that. Camera died, battery wise. So yeah, it's basically just telling us to hurry up, eat. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, we were on about these little tiny strawberry things. Why is that soft? Looks like a biscuit on the outside.
The outside and like a soft.
You know what it tastes like? You know the Pink Panthers?
Yeah, it does.
Them, don't it? Anyway, so they're right, and I said, just like them.
Yay, Pocky! Good favourite Pocky.
So yeah, Pockies. Open the bun. Rip it! Just like me to do it. Thank you. So yeah, you've probably seen these before kicking about somewhere. They won't be called Pockies or chocolate flavour. Yep, nice. Yummy. Everything in this box is gorgeous.
Got
For me, anyway.
loads more of these.
Wow.
Got normal letter chewy, blue raspberries, just 6 pieces.
Cool. Is there any more of these? These are just like chewits, aren't they?
Yeah. I think we've got gum in them, you know.
Have they really?
I think we should save them till last.
Oh yeah, I'm not doing them yet.
More of these.
Loads more of them.
Oh, Jolly Ranchers! Yes!
Like Jolly Ranchers, don't you?
Oh, it's watermelon. Let me just get all of them. They take it along a week, so.
Yeah. They all the Jolly Ranchers out.
Right, and another hour later.
Oh my god, I've seen all the stuff here. You definitely got your money's worth here. There's loads. She's still pulling them out of the box. Like Mary Poppins' bag. Massive. There's loads of stuff.
I think that's all.
I can't even count how many stuff there is. There's absolutely loads of stuff.
We got Smarties. What?
Smarties, what?
They're basically like the Love Hearts.
Oh, like refreshers, but love arts. Am I right?
No, refreshers are the Laffy Taffies.
Right. Get you. So yeah, like the
They're
love
like
arts.
drumstick lollies, but they're the long ones and the
Okay, yeah.
stick.
Yeah.
Okay, do we need to get one?
Yeah, of course. Let me know in the comments if there was a packet like that years ago called refreshers. So I'm sure they were like that and they
The
were called
purple
refreshers.
ones.
No, I know which ones you're on about, but when I was a kid, I'm sure they had ones like that, but there were fresher ones.
Oh.
I think. I'm just totally making up.
Ooh, it's freshly cupcake, cream-filled cupcakes, vanilla, with blue and red sprinkles on.
So yeah, cupcakes.
Oh, no.
So we'll try these, yeah?
We'll have like half of one, or a little bit of one.
Oh, look at that. Ooh. Do you know what they taste like? Twinkies?
Okay.
You want it?
Yeah. Oh, look, cream inside.
I was supposed to talk your mouth full. Sorry, apologise. Next one. Is there still more? What was all that got in there? Wow. We have some red vines. Is there anything else in there, Jazz?
One more item.
Go on and get it out while I open this.
It is Fanta Fruit Punch, caffeine free.
Oh, see, these are the drinks that I was on about. That are quite expensive in our local shop. They're about £2, £2.50, something like that.
Should we drink it or not?
You can have a sip of it.
Whoa, half a. Oh, no, I do.
Friend.
Yeah. That's what I was going to do. Whoa, they feel weird.
I'll tell you what, you can have a drink of this because I don't want to drink out the same can. There you go, you tell them what it's like. Fruit punch. And then we'll wrap the video up because they're sick of watching us eat now.
It's a bit weird.
Yeah, it hasn't got any flavour to that. Anyway,
So, fruit punch.
fruit punch, go for it. I'm joking. Nice.
Weird. Watermelon, basically.
So yeah, as you can see, we've got a table full of candy from Kandy Krate. I'd say about £17 what we paid for, and
Try these.
we've got and we've got absolute ample of food here over the £17 where I think anyway. Because like I say, I'm going off our American shop. That's next to us. So yeah, this is absolutely brilliant. Go check Kandy Krate out. I'll leave all links in the description below. like I say, if you do want to get one of these, leave our links. I'll leave Facebook pages. They always do deals and 10% off and stuff like that. So just go check them out. And you ready? You ready? Let's do it.
Cube. Fortnite cube. Fortnite cube.
Oh. They're not nice. I like them.
What's it?
Okay, Matt. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Smash the subscribe button and don't forget little bell notifications.
I haven't even bitten into it yet.
It's just like washing up, like you know, when your mum hasn't washed the cups properly. And don't forget the little notification bell when so you next know when we do our videos. We appreciate you watching all, and that's rank, innit?
I'm just going back.
And we'll catch you out next one. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.